Na sasa tuzamie taarifa hii ambapo waziri wa halmashauri ya ustawishaji miradi Beatrice Askul anazindua mikakati na mipango yake katika maeneo kame. Waziri huyo anazuru eneo la kaskazini mwa bonde la Ufa. Sasa tuvuke mubashara tupate kusikiliza yanayojiri sasa hivi.
Increase forest cover from 12.5% to 13% by planting over 15 million tree seedlings in addition to the existing 10 million. That have been planted to date and contribute to the presidential directive of planting 15 million trees by 2032. Expand economic opportunities and wealth creation through agro-based industries. Reduce poverty levels from 67% to 40%. And strengthen institutional capacity required for regional development. Last but not least, my ministry will continue to provide leadership and direction that align KVDS efforts with the national development policies, facilitate policy and interministerial coordination, and support resource mobilization initiatives of the authority. Finally, I encourage all of you to appreciate the work done by the authority in uplifting the livelihoods of our local people, and most importantly, to support the authority in implementing this strategic plan. It is now my pleasure to officially launch the 5th generation strategic plan 2023-2027 for the authority. Thank you.
We want to unveil the strategic plan for KVDA 2023-2027. Kindly be with us as we unveil the strategic plan. Karibu our CS. Thank you. Let's clap once again. Thank you.
Na mtazamaji, tutakuwa tunakuletea taarifa zaidi kuhusiana na uzinduzi huo utakaofaidi hususan maeneo kame na nusu kame, ukiwa umezinduliwa katika eneo la bonde la Ufa. Tutakuwa tunakujuza zaidi kuhusiana na hayo hapo baadaye, lakini kwa sasa tukizamia taarifa